So we have made it to the Amsterdam cruise port. Now it is right here behind me. Now right over here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a building with a bunch of white lines going vertical and horizontal right there. That is Amsterdam Central. So if you come in from Schiphol Airport, you can take the train. It's about 11 euros and it gets you here in about 15 minutes. And then you can walk right from here to the cruise port, maybe a quarter of a mile. If you don't want to walk because you're tired of traveling, you can catch the subway, the tram, and there's a stop right here, right across the street. So let's go check out this port. This is our first port that we've embarked from that has been from a different country. So I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like because it doesn't look anything like any of the US ports. So let's go check it out. If you Uber here or take a taxi, there's plenty of room for them to pull in and then you can go flip around and get out. If you're driving here, there is parking. It is located right underneath the terminal. Not sure how much parking there is there. And I don't see a dollar sign, so I'm not sure what the cost is, but it is available if you need it.